Today we are talking MSC's Ocean Cay. The first thing that catches my attention is the ability for the ship to dock so close to the island. No long piers or exhausting trips to get you down to the beach. Once you disembark the ship, you have paved walking areas that are easy to navigate and that lead directly to the fun. This island is located just 65 miles east of Miami and exclusive to MSC's guests. Ocean Cay, or Ocean Cay's MSC Marine Reserve, was not always a paradise. Hard to believe this used to be a former industrial sand extraction site. It was reclaimed and restored by MSC, who planted more than 85,000 plants and shrubs to revive this island. Plenty of shops and Springer's Bar await you as soon as you disembark. Next is Seeker's Food Court. Island food is included here for guests. Now, since I've been here several times before, I like to walk away from the ship. MSC only allows one ship at a time at this island. But if you're not into walking, plenty of free shuttles to get you around the island. Also, several beach shacks to grab a bite. I prefer the far side of the island. Less people and a bar that sits right here on the beach. These chairs under the awnings are always free and first come, first served. As you can see, there are many other chairs that can be rented or reserved from the boat for a fee. This is one of 7 distinct beaches with over 2 miles of white sandy shoreline, and always with a lifeguard on duty. Now, if relaxing in this lagoon is not for you, you can explore the lighthouse, enjoy snorkeling, jet skis, paddle boards, or even take a catamaran cruise. As the sun goes down, enjoy the night beach party and lighthouse show. If not, you can still see the lighthouse show from the ship. So remember to work like a captain so you can play like a pirate. And if your compass is pointing towards the ocean, maybe you should try Ocean Cay.